We're doing another.
All right, everyone lock in.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Today we're doing another white elephant shoot. We got some guests with us, and let's see who ends up with what gifts.
Before you guys say, "Oh my God, Masayoshi or John, are you kicked out of OTV?" I was sick. I got back from Texas. I was sick during this. Continue.
Welcome to another high-stakes white elephant gift exchange. In our white elephant, each gift is worth at least $1,000, whether it's a troll gift or not. After drawing lots, the first player selects a wrapped gift and opens it. The following players can either pick a new gift.
What was your present gonna be? I didn't even know what the I didn't even know what the video was about, so I don't even know. $1,000.
Stop being sick.
$1,000?
Did someone shit on your pillow for you to be awake at this time? Also, why did you get kicked out of OTV?
Okay, morning guys, morning.
Man got fired and is delusional about it.
Lemon.
A rack? If it's a white elephant, with this squad, I'm assuming everyone went really hard, so I probably get something really shit. That's like expensive. Actually, no, I get the cube. Yeah, it's an infinite cube.
Gift or steal a previous player's gift. If your gift gets stolen, you get to pick again, but you cannot steal a gift that was just stolen from you. After 3 steals, the gift is locked and can't be stolen again. To keep things fair, after everyone has their turn, the first player gets a chance to swap the gift they have for another unlocked gift. But when someone declines to swap a gift, or there are no eligible gifts left to steal from,
Actually, good evening for you.
Go ahead and open your things and sound off from 1 to 8.
1, motherfuckers.
2,
3,
4,
5,
6.
7.
What do you want to be placed here? I feel like you want to be like near the end.
8.
You know what's crazy? The number is the order of who has the most money.
Oh.
Can I ask y'all a question? Do you guys bring good gifts? I don't know if you guys remember the last time I was here, I didn't love my gift.
But you seem like you would fish.
Why do I seem like that?
You're white.
You're
Okay.
white. Does anyone
He
want
is
to
white.
influence me to pick their gift?
Blood said his gift's really
My
good.
shit's fire, but I'm not telling you which is which. You have to
You're
find
supposed
it.
to tell me.
Nah, I don't do that. I don't do that. This legal ref, she's allowed to get her grubby hands on everything?
Yeah, it's like blind boxes. You want to feel them out?
That's heavy. That's got heft.
Very heavy. But sometimes bigger is not always
You like
better.
fishing?
Something small because the value is
It's aight.
dense.
I know this is some random apple bag because it's old as hell. Who's trying to fake? I like this one. I don't know why.
Okay.
That one's like wrapped messily, so it's like someone who probably has a lot of money.
That's fun.
How did you pick yours?
What's the giggling about?
Open it up.
This looks fun.
Ooh, that's smart. That is smart.
Deal or no deal? Deal or no deal?
Yeah, so Pokey, you might have realized at this point you can't open the box.
Smart.
Did I pick last?
Smart.
Fuck me, man.
That's because whoever wins it can only open it at the very end.
These are the
Yeah.
only keys. They'll
I
be
hate you.
Firmly
You're so annoying.
in my
You were too
pocket
poor to
till the-
participate. No, dickhead. I was sick, guys. I was sick. I'm not kicked out of OTV. I was sick. I got back from Texas, and then I had an 8-day flu.
Very
End of story.
Somebody hold him down. I don't want to touch him. Someone else.
So it is for me. As far as what it is,
Sorry,
it's a
Tofu Soups.
secret.
Yo, what up,
All
dude?
right, Poke's a mystery box.
Wait, no one tell me shit. No spoilers. I haven't seen it yet.
Thank you.
Number 2,
Coke harder
I want something
XDD.
safe, and I think this is safe. Because this is gonna be like something generally nice. Maybe it's an
Maybe a
Apple Watch. Maybe it's a necklace.
A knife. Like a chef's knife.
Maybe it's a chef's knife. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh?
How the fuck
Is it?
did you guys?
Is this yours?
So this one's mine.
It's a Japanese
It's a Japanese chef.
chef's
Like, how did
knife.
you guys know? The shape.
Real quick, no, show the camera. It's a samurai 24 karat
Oh my god.
gold inlaid. It's a lifetime warranty.
Holy
Got it from
shit.
Japan when I was over there. It's
Wait, that goes
incredibly sharp,
hard.
Works.
Oh my god, the design, that's
Wait, that looks so
It
sick.
is beautiful. It's a full samurai.
Hey, that sucks for y'all. It's mine, so hands off.
Bad. He said you were dog shit.
Does he cook?
No.
I've cooked.
What? In his life.
Tell him I chef it up different.
He doesn't.
Oh,
As
man.
in he doesn't.
You could take that guilt-free.
Okay, good gift.
Toast time.
Number 3. I'll go with the big one. If it's big, that means there's more stuff in it.
Context as well in this living room. The AC's broken, so I know everyone's hot as hell right now. It's like 80 degrees in there, minimum.
So you get more value.
I just know everyone's hot.
You messed up, bro.
It's a bait.
Is it already pre-opened?
Pre-opened.
There's more.
Wait, you're up so early. Morning, Celine.
I've never seen his face light up.
Oh my god, this is such a good gift for Toast. How
It's Japanese Pokemon cards, the terrestrial evolutions that you can only get in Japan right now. Who got this?
Oh, good gift.
How did you get this?
What are these? Lottery tickets? Dollar scratchers.
It's like $1,000 of $1 scratch tickets?
That's kind of awesome, though.
Wait, it's hype.
Awesome.
This gift is a stream waiting to happen.
Yeah.
That's your gift? Yeah. Damn, that's pretty
Toast
fire.
is gonna start opening them while we're here.
He's always holding
Toast, you can't open them.
Can't open
Not
them yet.
yours yet. You're gonna have to rip it out from his
I just don't know how he managed to pick it. Hey, you don't have it yet. That's not yours. You're hugging it too
Can
tight.
I see how many $1 scratch? Can I hold a $1
Yeah,
scratch?
you can have to scratch it. I don't want that.
Wait, really?
This is the exciting part.
This looks tempting.
I know it's a decoy.
I like this one because the Santa's cute.
Okay.
It's a Pez machine.
I knew it was a Pez machine.
Wait, actually?
Wait,
No,
what?
it's a lollipop
Well-
machine.
It's because mine couldn't fit under the tree. So it's from me.
Wait, I love these. These are so yummy.
Did Cutie get the freaky ass things that it's in Scar's room?
But you get more,
The fucking power went out and we got jump scared.
Jamie.
She's so excited about that.
You get more.
There you go.
Okay. All right.
What? What couldn't fit?
Oh, wait.
I see.
What is
A
that?
tent?
What is that?
I see vaguely.
Something is covered.
Yep. Yeah, she got this.
Covered.
We have to go outside.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, there's people
Yeah.
under
Are these
there.
people?
Yeah.
It's a live performance.
That'd be dope.
Oh, wait.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
that's scary.
The power went out and imagine just like in a very dark room just seeing this shit.
Oh my god.
I think the minion's baby Jesus.
That's Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus, and he is one of the wise men, and this is a donkey.
I love it. It's everything I've always wanted.
Who's the creepy guy?
It's Buddy the elf.
Oh, Buddy the Elf.
Oh, the mouth moving is freaking me
That is
out.
terrifying.
Jamie, I'm glad you picked this one.
The minion goes hard.
Oh, that's better. That's so much better.
On the third day, he is risen.
That one you need to exchange.
The reindeer's head is slowly doing a 360.
Yeah, it's turning more and more counterclockwise.
Congrats, Jamie. I hope you love it.
It's the best thing ever.
Okay.
Number 5.
That's me.
Okay.
I'm stealing.
Whoa.
Wait.
What are you stealing?
I already know
Oh, you deserve it.
I was gonna say.
You'd put it to the best use,
I
to
was
be
gonna
honest.
say, one of you guys cooks.
Yeah.
It's nice, by the way.
So I get to steal now.
Or you can pick.
Yeah, I could, couldn't I?
Uh-oh.
Good. Hey, my man, you're stacking them up for me. I appreciate that.
Oh, I got something really good.
Wait, let me think about it. If he early steals, now Toast has to wait for someone else to steal.
You got something?
I actually
again?
got something really
Is it in
good.
there?
Yeah, it's
That's a
in there.
tough
Tell the next
situation.
person to grab it. Come on. Fork it over. Fork it over, big man. Yes, I do the cooking. Come on, man. Think about this. I love Pokemon and I love
I feel
gambling.
like Lud
It's
made a
2-in-1.
misplay
No
here.
way.
It's a 2-in-1.
And I can't
Pre-watch?
steal it
No,
back.
I think that's a
Not to
misplay.
the row, that'd be-
You don't
that'd be
early
unethical.
steal.
But if I stole from Cutie, she can steal this.
Why you
then he would-
steal from my girl?
Cutie, I'll take the knife.
What? No. What is that?
Whoa! go! Yeah, Toast. Yeah, of course, Toast sees it.
One more steal with the knife and it's locked.
So if I steal that, then Lettuce steals knife back, then he gets that, and that's 3.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what he
It's
wants.
White
He
Elephant
wants
101,
me to lock the
man.
knife So then he can get the Pokemon cards, because then he would lock the Pokemon cards.
He's playing Among Us in White Elephant?
He Among Us White Elephant. That's crazy.
This is the only advantage of being early picked.
Even when we're not playing Among Us, we're playing Among Us.
Don't let him tear us apart.
But I want the knife. And you have so many Pokemon cards that you just leave places.
Uh-oh.
I was doing the laundry the other day. In his pocket was 3 PSA 10 just Pokemon cards.
What?
Yeah, graded and everything just in the pocket of his sweater in the dirty clothes.
Hey, you don't treat them well anyway.
The fun part's not having them, it's opening them.
That is true.
After I open them, they
Of
can
course,
be as
Peter.
good as dirt.
That's so it seems, what do you do with your opened ones?
I put them in my binder, in my safe.
That's nice.
Yeah, I treat them well.
In a safe?
I want the
It's
Pokemon
valid.
The
cards.
safe is a little over the top, no? Oh my god.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Toast.
What are you gonna do, Ludwig?
There's no way.
Wait, he just got shit on.
Big brain this.
I could ruin all this.
You could.
If I just simply don't take the knife.
I do want to say, I'm pretty sure Vaughn wants a knife. So if you pass here, it's gone.
True. It is true. Do you love her?
What?
I'm taking that knife if you don't.
Uh-oh. Yes, dear.
Way.
That's so fast at this guy.
Wait, he's already out. Jesus, locked. We're not even halfway through the video.
Locked.
I guess I'll steal the Pokemon cards.
There's no.
Wait, what? No way.
Is that the second steal on the Pokemon card?
I think that's the third.
Is that the third?
That's third. It's locked.
Holy.
We got 2 locks.
Well, I guess I'll open one.
Thank you, Raycon, for sponsoring this video. Let's talk about perfect audio upgrade with Raycon's everyday earbuds. Raycon
Love Raycons. Don't mind me though. Just gonna. Wait, I think I'm in this.
price of other premium earbuds, so you're getting unbeatable quality without breaking the bank.
I think I'm in the B-roll.
Raycon.com/offline
toasts.
TV for
Wait, I
20%
killed
off
this.
site-wide. That's right. You'll get 20% off everything on Raycon's website, including
where am I?
20% off all headphones too when you go to buyraycon.com/offline
John.
TV. See you there.
I'm kicked. Wait, I'm actually kicked. Oh my god. Wait, I'm actually fired.
Oh, the little one.
Dude, what?
I mean,
Dude, I was killing it. I think it was on a phone call. I played on a phone call. I was making coffee. That's when we were recording for the Christmas album for like the fake music video. Wait, what?
It's just straight like a gift card.
No.
That's mine. So my gift also couldn't fit under the tree.
What?
So I asked the love of my life, Anita, what would you like for Christmas? What is the perfect gift? And of course, instead of buying it for her, I got it for this white elephant instead. So let me grab it real quick.
There's no way.
There it comes.
That's what's in the living room. Okay, what does it do? I know it's a massage chair.
A massage chair?
Oh, geez.
Sorry.
What? Wow.
Go ahead and unwrap.
Open it. Open our gift. Open our gift.
What could it be? Oh my god.
I'm sure Anita would have loved it.
Wow.
Dude, you're such a good friend and a bad boy.
Oh, is that like a tablet mount?
Grr.
Rough. Woof. Being 26, welcome back for 4 months of the tier 1.
Boyfriend.
Yeah, I am.
This is so.
Whoa.
Oh, it already has a tablet.
Thanks for the present.
You're welcome.
I guess I'll
that
just
is sick.
live in this now.
That's a crazy gift.
That is
Wow.
an insane gift.
That's awesome, Peter. Okay.
I was gonna take the Pokemon cards, but they're locked now. So I have to do the next best thing and steal the mystery box.
Smart.
Oh, that's smart. That's infinite value.
We don't know. Schrodinger's present. It could be phenomenal.
I have a feeling I know what's in this.
I promise you, you don't.
I'll go open then. I love to open. Chat, do you guys want me to open this one? Or
Chat.
Chat votes for the Apple box. Apple.
No, I want to like if we're gonna open a gift, we go for the long boy. No.
But I know the apple bag is the decoy, so.
You think it's just not an iPhone?
No.
It's not an iPhone.
It's a Samsung. Oh.
What the hell is that? Is that 3D printed?
I'm your biggest fan. Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
I don't think that's worth like $1,000.
But I have your even biggest, omega biggest fan hiding somewhere.
Oh, is it somebody?
Okay, don't be too alarmed. Okay.
It's thinking to be like a dude?
It's a giant fan.
Industrial fan. Is this like the ones like
What is with
outside
me
the baseball
getting
games that everyone
industrial
stands
gifts?
by?
Like, dude.
Jamie,
What?
we gotta ask. Can you plug it in?
I love it.
There's a bolt that's loose inside of it.
What a great gift!
Wait, it felt really nice.
I feared for my life.
I like how she ran away instead of turning it off.
It's a breeze and a thrill.
In the summer, that would slap.
You don't like it?
No, I like it too much.
Oh, okay.
All you. Your turn, Yvonne.
Do you want to steal from anyone?
There's a lot of steals up for grabs.
You should definitely take the fan.
I feel like Professor Xavier. Wait, who's left?
Mine's the long one.
Mine's the little one.
You want a Pokimane gift?
I would
or
go with
Disguise
Pokimane,
Toast?
I'll be honest. Hey, is your gift good?
It's better than 2 gifts.
If you want Pokies, you take hers first so someone steals, right?
Here, yeah.
Because you don't want to steal it first.
Here?
He's talking
The
about
fan.
us.
Wait, that's beautiful.
There's no way of knowing.
Wait, it's better than 2 gifts, which means it's not as good as this, and that,
Well,
and this.
we don't know. It could be better than this.
Well, I used up my lock on this, so it's not as good as this.
But Iman also said her gift was really good.
It's solid for anyone.
It's a Tesla.
All right, so you're going Pokey's gift?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open it, open it. Da-da-da-da-da.
Whoa. Whoa. Are we going to Hawaii? That's right. Your gift is not 1, but 2 tickets to Hawaii.
And a hotel or Airbnb of your choice.
Wait, that's huge.
And business class seats?
We can discuss that later. Depends on the dates. Woo! We're here.
Yay!
Yvonne,
Huh?
I would not be too happy attached with that.
I'm comfortable.
No, Yvonne. Peter just told me I had to steal his.
No, I didn't. I didn't say shit. I didn't say anything.
Does Anita want to go to Hawaii?
Snitch.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
That's strong.
That ain't 1,000. Shh.
Nothing. I ain't trying to say
You don't
shit.
stress because it's not his turn next. It's Scarlet.
Exactly. It's not my turn.
That would be crazy if I just.
I can have people I want
Oh my God, Scara, why would you
Bastard
do that?
boy.
That's crazy.
Take the legs off her neck.
Take the legs off her neck.
Yeah, kick it out.
I haven't been here in 18 years, it feels like.
Okay, so
hey,
wait,
chat
quick
and
recap.
swim
You
away.
stole the secret.
Yoda
message
Brady.
box,
Number 2, I
which
think.
is
Welcome
sealed
45
2,
months.
And then
So
you
tell me
steal 1 on
again
this, so
why
it's
you're
back to
not
you.
part of this video.
Escadar, I know you were here. I was sick. I got back from Texas. I had a flu for 8 days. I'm not kicked.
You can't steal this back.
Yeah.
But you can open.
You can open Toast gift or steal someone else's.
Just open Toast's gift.
She's so
I
mad.
could have.
Listen, here.
Bro, we will still watch you. You don't have to lie. It's okay if you're not part of OTV. I'm a part of OTV, guys.
Yeah, I'll give these
We're
tickets
cool.
to Anita, and she could decide who she takes to Hawaii. You know what I mean? There's like a
you win that?
50-50 chance.
Yeah, I don't know if she wins
Do you win that?
man.
Did she win that?
I'm not a bench
I think
warmer.
if I talked to Anita, I could, but like sometimes I
Wait,
just
so you
don't
were
want to do that to you
kicked?
guys, you know?
She's such a fucking liar.
So you're opening the 8th gift?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so excited to see.
It's something that anyone here would be happy walking away with.
You got my gift and you really like it. I'm opening your gift. I hope I really like yours.
Need a knife? Yeah, here you go.
Fuck, I want this knife.
Be
It's
gentle.
careful.
Be gentle. It has gold inlay.
Inlay.
Decoy box.
Decoy box.
Goodbye.
Box in a
We
box.
love a decoy box.
Oh, it's heavy.
I need a mine's broken.
That's actually
It's
crazy.
just the iPhone 16
Just?
Pro. Came out 2 months ago, brand new.
2 months ago, I already got it.
Brand new phone.
Oh, fuck.
Now's where chaos starts, right?
Yep.
Yeah, because now
Not necessarily, but it's supposed to go to top of the order. Pokey, you could just do nothing if you really like to.
Shut your ass up. Give me that box.
Wait.
Give me those keys.
All right, the keys, and that is
Thank
the
you.
third
Why
seal.
the fuck is Guy alive so early? I am still at work. Weird Dude is finally going to address why he got kicked from offline TV.
We have a great shift.
She locks that now. Are you gonna open
I
it
must
now?
know.
What's in the box?
Because
What's in the
out of
box?
everything, this is the most like. I feel like this is something money can't buy.
Yeah.
It might be something money can buy, but
Money can't buy this. I
Why is
promise
Pepe
you.
laughing?
oh,
I'm so excited.
this is gonna be the greatest thing at.
what the hell is this?
Oh, it broke apart in the box. Sorry, 1 second. Wait, don't look for a moment. Don't look for a moment. Sorry, just broke apart in the box. Okay, there we go. What do you see, Pokey?
I literally see a card of you.
Read the back.
Spend one day with Ludwig.
OTV bench boy ?
To be fair, it doesn't matter what size the channel. If you do a spend the day with Ludwig and make a video out of it, that's $1,000. And you get it. Thoughts?
Good morning, chat.
Thank
oh boy,
God
a
you
new
took that from
OTV video. Why isn't John in this? Did he get fired?
I thought this was something that's like priceless, not something you would need to pay me to do.
Yo, geek that bird, 20 months.
I don't see him in the video.
Shut. Thank you for the prime
So the
sub, dude.
box is
Appreciate it.
9K.
Get to choose what we do.
No!
What?
You get to hang out with me February 28th at the Lakers game, where we are going for One Piece night.
Oh, One Piece night.
Fun.
We have 4 front row tickets.
Call
You
test to
must
prove you
cosplay.
weren't
It
fired. You won't.
That's pretty heat.
is not optional.
Oh my god.
Wait, that ended up.
Wait, that's good.
Wait, that's heat.
That's actually
Who's
pretty
coming
fire.
with us?
2 of my friends you don't know.
Can you bring me a cute date?
Yeah, his name's Shake Drizzle. Why did you laugh back there?
Find me a reasonable date and you have a deal. Otherwise, I'm not pulling
Shake
up.
Drizzle's great. He's a great
He's
cat.
a great dude.
Jake
Great guy.
Drizzle.
I guess this is what I've got.
Yeah, good game.
You know what? I think Jamie's been eyeing.
Is that a Red Bull and like a? Is that a vape? That's heat.
John Blink if you got kicked from OTV.
Oh, it's his editor.
Some of these gifts.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take your gift
Yeah.
just because I want to see what she does with the next thing. Jamie,
Bibs,
I'm gonna take-
the Heg Hog, 40 months in prime.
Matey, what the hell are you doing awake? You haven't even had your grog yet.
My grog?
Nativity
It's a whole.
scene.
I'm gonna take the nativity scene. Brilliant nativity
Well,
scene.
sorry, Lollipop.
Wait, can I?
Wait, he has a website? Ordering a burger at a Mexican place. Yeah, it's a fire date.
Can I have
No.
No.
What? You can't just have part of the
one?
gift.
Can I have one?
No, give it to
Come
me.
on, hand it over.
And now you get my fan and the ability to steal.
Or you can
I
end the game
know
and
what
keep
she's
the fan.
taking.
I want the iPhone.
Okay.
Yep.
Cop it up.
I do want that. What iPhone do you have?
Damn, it's a
One with the
mid-off.
old charging cable still.
It's a mid-off.
Lightning cable.
The lightning
the lightning cable?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, strategically, I don't understand. So, like, who goes after me?
Yvonne.
Whoever you steal from.
But she can't steal it back from you.
Oh.
I just finished a 15-minute session over here. It was lovely.
The phone's pretty nice. It's brand new.
Hey,
USB-C.
Hawaii.
USB-C. I already told Anita I got us tickets to Hawaii, so you better not.
I think
What? Okay, that's on him though, no?
Anita deserves it. Not saying you don't deserve the iPhone,
You don't, by the way.
but I don't take
deserve
the
happiness.
Smart.
All right.
So you get the fan.
Well, no, you get the option to steal.
Or the fan.
Or the fan if you want to end it all right now.
Hey, why are you looking away? Hey, why are you looking away?
Hey, what's up, cutie? How's it going?
You're like a dog who did something bad who refused to look at his owner.
When you convinced her to take my gift, did you think about what would happen after?
I am deaf in my. I cannot hear out of my left
you
ear.
think
That's
about what
crazy.
would happen
I
after?
can't hear anything.
Huh?
You like minions.
Broden, we can't fit this in our apartment, huh?
You could fit it.
You better wait.
Are you serious? You know what? I'll take
the Hawaii.
I'll take the minion.
What? Nah. She takes Hawaii 100%.
I mean,
You can go to Hawaii.
excellent choice of mine. Excellent.
Go to Hawaii.
I can't do it to Anita. What do you
Do I have to pee so bad, but
want me
it's
to
4
do?
minutes.
You can't do it to Nita? Thanks, man.
Wait, it just got
Canceling
interesting.
podcast. Go fuck yourself. You were my closest friend.
I'll bring Anita. Don't worry.
So 2 on that, 2 on the nativity.
No.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Whoa.
Give me the phone!
Wait, doesn't that lock him?
Give me the phone! I have a lightning charging port still! Give it to me!
That was me too, and nobody cared.
It doesn't lock it.
About what you care about.
This is genius. Now Jamie's gonna steal this back, or Yvonne's gonna steal it back, and then he can get the whole. Oh my God! Wait, he's smart. Wait, he's cooking. Wait.
Does it mean I can steal?
Yeah.
That flipping emotion's insane.
Oh, Jamie, you love minions.
Well, in fact,
Oh
you could
no, Jamie's gonna take the
I
Hawaii.
love spam musubi.
Oh.
No way.
You like sleeping in the cold, right?
Oh, man.
Yeah!
Oh no.
Wait, is it locked?
That's locked.
Oh, heck yeah! Wait, it's my first time going to Hawaii.
That's locked, confirmed. Which
Hey yo, Peter, you're gonna have to text someone real quick, right?
means
Hey, you don't. There's no Tachiyomi on iPhone, bro.
So
don't
true.
Look at this.
That's true.
You could get your minions back. I just like that people like my art.
Or I can take the massage chair.
You could.
it doesn't really fit your vibe.
Nah.
It, though.
If you steal the iPhone, it's locked.
You wouldn't.
Just hear the Grinch singing outside.
To use a VTuber model, you kind of need an iPhone.
It's true. You have to film yourself.
Apple has
Ain't no way he's gonna take an iPhone 16 Pro for his VTube model.
the best facial recognition software on the market, so
I
everyone uses.
could give you an old iPhone. I got you, man.
I mean, you could steal something and still get Peter's old iPhone. That's kind of a 2-for-1. If he's honest to his word.
Give me the.
Bro, you're just gonna leave
He wants
it
the
out
drama.
there.
He wants the drama.
Scar's the real Santa here because he just gave me a new iPhone.
Oh my God, Peter's got double shit on. Wait, what does he end up with then?
Wait, no!
Wait, what does Peter get then?
Oh, I've done the math.
A
and it
fan
means-
or a chair.
Oh.
Peter, the fan is so you.
Or would she like a massage chair?
you said
Who
a
knows?
massage chair. It's kind of nice.
We don't have room for that shit. My cats are gonna fuck that bitch up.
I don't think
Do you have room
anyone
for an
had
industrial fan?
I guess I'll keep the fan. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Is that locked?
We're locked.
Oh, it's the first OTV Christmas I haven't been boned.
Oh, that's not nice to say after Peter just
Oh,
got
but
boned.
he had such a good gift at the end. Wow.
Hey, just know.
Don't fucking talk to me. Literally, don't speak in my direction. I don't know who you are. I want to put a restraining order on you. I fucking hate your guts. I hope you fucking lose every League of Legends game. Shut the fuck up.
Thank you guys for watching Offline TV's Christmas 2.